What's up, guys? And today we are riding some cars on a mega ramp. Yeah, this is the ultimate test. Okay, let's try the testament truck first. I don't know where's the mega ramp. Oh, it was literally behind me. Okay, let's just slide up, go up. Whoa! Ooh, I did it! I did it first try. I did it first try. Okay, my goal is to win 3 times. If I win, if I win, if I win if I win a car, I will be able to use it later. And let's try this car, which is my favorite. I think. I don't know where is it. Oh, ooh! It's gonna crush me. Aha! I wonder if okay, it does crush me. Okay, it's so laggy, so it's so hard to move. Oh, I thought this was so slow than I thought. Maybe this is slow. We're going incredibly slow. Oh my god. We're flying. We're flying. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay, we're not stuck. Go. Okay. Okay, let's just try another car. Oh, to Dove. Of course I want to drive to Dove. Yeah, I want to drive to Dove. Dove time. Oh my god. Oh my god. I thought my wheels are I thought my wheels were stuck on the ground. Whoa! I'm gonna try to jump ramp. I really want to. Is that a jump ramp or a jump race? I don't know. I didn't read it. Bro, what just happened? Uh, bro, the wheel is here. Okay, let's just load that back. Load that back. Load that back. Load that back. Okay. No. Load that back. I think we just crashed it. I thought it was stuck. Oh my gosh. Okay. I can't find the big ramp. I mean mega ramp. Jump ramp. I see the jump ramp. Oh, I found it. Bro, why is it invisible? Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. No, it's not the time to crash. This is so hard to control in this game. Okay, now we have to just find it again. Okay, I think we have to look at the names first. And I don't see a. Oh, okay, let's go. Okay! Oh my god. Ah! This bounce. Ah! I have the worst day ever. Ah! This is so hard to control it. Ah! Okay, just try it for yourself. It's so hard. Ah! This is so hard. This is so hard. I have to find it again. Oh my god. Okay, let's just spawn it again. Okay, I think it's right near the spacing tester, right? I know. Yep, it's correct. Okay, we're up, we're up, we're up! We're up! I feel like it's stuck upside down. No, 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 no. Okay, now, oh. Okay, now I want to try. I actually played this game off camera and I found something else. Guess what is it, guys? It's not a tutorial one. Keep scrolling and I found it. Okay, what is this? Okay, let's. The noises are so tiny. Oh, we can do it. Ah! Ah! Okay, that was so dumb. Ooh, I want to try this car. I found a car that I want to drive. Ooh, what is this? Imagine you. This is your dad's car, and then they ran over people. You were like 10 years old in that part. 10 years old, and then you saw dad. You saw your dad driving that car. Uh, you saw your dad driving. What was it? You saw your dad that was driving this car right here, this car, and then your dad became a serial killer. Do you know why? Do you want to know how? Because he ran over people with a spike on the front and the back and the here, the side, and upside down in the wheel everywhere. Okay, we done. Ah! My God, this is so hard. Ooh, I found a car that I want to drive again. I don't think you guys wanna. I don't. Okay, this is the car. This is the. Hey, what is this? I don't know why do I want to drive this car. I just want to be. I just want to have fun. Okay, now we're stuck. Now we're stuck. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Mega Run. There it is. I can see the name. Ooh, what is this car even? We're gonna fail, right? Yeah. The car said, nope, I'm not failing. Oh, yeah, I'm failing. I died. Right there. Okay. Oh, a clown car. Ooh, this is my favorite car yet. Imagine doing like this. That was the loudest car ever I seen. Okay, let's just start it here. I just like it because it's too funny. I feel so bad for you guys, but you have to lower your headphones right now. I just want to do this. I feel so bad for you guys. Okay, I'm stuck. Okay, that was so bad. Okay, let's just drive it again. Oh, I found the cover. Make a run. Ah! hard to control. It's especially so hard to control when I'm doing like this. I did it! I think I did it! I think I did it! Okay, let's move on to the next car. Oh, I think you guys are saying finally! I think you guys are saying finally from that noise. Oh, I'm gonna drive a bus now. Cause I love buses. I like trains also. Imagine. There's there's the Mega Man right there. This is the last one. So guys, don't be scared. Whoa! You guys need to like and subscribe right now. Oh! I completed 3 cars in one video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and you might don't want to subscribe because of that loud noise. But anyways, I'm sorry for that. I apologize, and now like and subscribe, please.